Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to delete your Shein account. So to delete your account on Shein, you need to firstly open Shein on your device and then go to the Me tab in your bottom right corner, and then you need to enter settings by clicking the gear icon in your upper right corner. Here in the settings, you need to find a section called Manage My Account, and here you need to find line Delete Your Account. Before processing the account deletion request, Shein will conduct the following verifications: ID verification, account autocomplete, and wallet assets settled. And here is important note that account will not be recoverable once deleted. So if you are sure you want to delete your Shein account, press Apply to Delete Account button and click OK button, and soon your account will be deleted when your request will be successfully submitted. So that's it. I hope this video will help you, and if it helped you, please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.